Prevent frozen gutters. How to prep gutters for cold weather. 1. Clean out debris and inspect gutter downspouts for clogs. If you didn't get around to cleaning your rain gutters in the fall, you will want to make it a priority when the weather allows, ideally before the first snowfall. Even just a few inches of snow or frozen water can add enough extra weight to your gutters to cause them to loosen or even detach. Closely inspect all the seams, corners, and joints where debris and water can accumulate. 2. Inspect gutters for cracks and wear. You will want to seal any cracks to ensure freezing water doesn't expand the cracks. Check joints and look for missing fasteners, which could allow for the gutter or downspout to fall off the roof and cause costly damages to your home or even injure passersby below. 3. Check the alignment. Even slightly tilted or misaligned gutters can cause major problems for the drainage of your gutter system. It's important to get a clear view from above to see if water and debris is accumulating unevenly towards one end, as this indicates misalignment of the gutters. Note that depending on how your gutters are attached, you may need to remove them completely and reinstall them in order to correct the alignment. 4. Add 3 to 5 foot downspout extensions. If your current downspouts don't have extensions, or they are shorter than 3 feet, you will want to add them right away. 3 to 5 foot extensions will send melting water and snow a safer distance from the foundation of your home. Downspout extensions are one of the easiest fixes homeowners can do to improve their gutter system. 5. Install gutter covers. Gutter guards are one of the best investments you can make to protect your home gutters. In the winter, they can prevent ice dams and water damage to your roof. They come in a variety of styles and materials, although stainless steel are generally recommended by professionals as the most durable and longest lasting. The best gutter guards can so significantly reduce your gutter cleanings that they can pay for themselves over just a couple years. 6. Check surrounding areas for structural damage. Examine your siding, foundation, and fascia for signs of water damage, stains, and rotting. If damage is found, try to determine the location where the water is originating and repair or seal off the water flow. If the job proves to be more than you want to tackle, consider contacting a certified professional to safely take on your home or commercial gutters project. Top Gutters has professional gutter service providers throughout Kenosha County. Request a free inspection and quote today. We work throughout the winter, weather permitting.